Hello, today we're talking about something most companies don't even realize they're paying for, the hidden cost of bad data. It's called the Data Decay Tax, how unstructured rot is cannibalizing your AI EBITDA. Back in the agentic summer of 2025, everyone celebrated adoption, more workflows, more agents, more AI. But in 2026, a new metric showed up on the balance sheet. AI getting more expensive, not cheaper. And the culprit? Unstructured data, PDF swamps, legacy docs, messy contracts. Instead of automation, you're quietly burning money. First, the recursive token trap. When agents don't understand messy data, they loop and loop and loop. Some tasks cost 700x more tokens than they should. You're paying frontier model prices for what should be a simple database lookup. Second, the intent drift surcharge. Every time an agent interprets unclear text, error creeps in. After multiple agents, accuracy drops fast, so humans end up auditing everything, killing productivity. Third, the janitorial burn rate. 60% of AI project time goes to cleaning data. Teams spend hundreds of thousands just prepping documents. That's reasoning talent doing janitor work. Step 1. Semantic refactor. Move from vector RAG to knowledge graphs. Give agents structure, not guesses. Step 2. Token budgets per intent. Set limits. Kill runaway loops. Don't let agents burn dollars chasing pennies. Step 3. Move to the actuation layer. Stop summarizing PDFs. Convert everything into structured schema-first data like JSON. In 2026, the advantage isn't the model. It's the precision of your data. Stop buying more tokens. Start buying more structure. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more deep dives like this. See you in the next one.